is March, which means we all get a little mad this time of year. We've got Grace DeRocha, registered dietitian, diabetes educator, and national spokesperson for the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics with us. Getting a little crazy.
Getting crazy.
Because it's basketball season. And so you like to get together with the friends, the family, and eat, drink, be merry, all the things. And nothing says party like a charcuterie board.
Definitely. I think it's fun to think of having people join you, making something together, everyone bringing some of their favorite little snacks.
I mean, you can make it big, you can make it small.
Right, it could be the whole table.
Absolutely.
We went with the round basketball inspiration. This is supposed to look like a basketball with one of my favorite candies, Reese's Pieces. But yeah, super fun. We actually did this. She brought some things.
Yeah.
I brought some things. I brought green and white things.
Of course she did. I tried to find blue. Yes, I did. I brought blueberries, actually. I did.
Just saying. So we actually, we were talking and putting this together before this, and we were like, oh, we just did that. We did it like that.
It literally took no time. And, it is a mishmash of things.
Yeah.
And people might be like, oh, how do these all go together? But they do, because it's literally a grazing board.
And fun fact, we actually have 16 things on here. Some salty, some sweet.
Yes.
But, a great way to play with different flavor profiles, different nutritional, avenues, from the fruits and veggies to the meat and cheese. We have some nuts. So yeah, the world is your oyster.
Yeah, and you are so good at this. I mean, you really have made some fantastic charcuterie boards, and really nothing is off limits.
No.
You really can put just about anything. You say dips, things like that. We were talking about some of our favorite pairings, the cantaloupe and the prosciutto, classic flavors going together.
Definitely.
Yeah.
I mean,
apples and cheese.
I love I want all of this.
All of this in my belly right now.
But yeah, have fun. Play. I mean, it's not the most beautiful one, but the fact that we got to make it together and just kind of
it's fun
on a whim.
It's
great.
eclectic. Also, we talk about some of our favorite, your favorite combination. Tell us, your family's got one favorite.
So this is one of our favorites, and it's not one that most people like, but a cracker, any kind of cracker.
Yeah.
Salami, usually, or pepperoni.
Okay.
Blue cheese and honey.
Yeah. I love that. Yeah. I love that. I'll just take the blue cheese and the honey on a piece of bread.
Yes,
and that
please.
is so is so good. So yes, honey, also jams, jellies, things like that, also great to have.
Yes.
And I love the vegetable component.
I know.
Sneak them in where you can.
Yep, you know me. And I think too, it opens up potential to try new things, for your kids, for your family, if your husband's picky.
There you go. You just sneak some of those things on there, be like, try this, honey.
Yeah.
Right? Love it. Love the inspiration. Love spending time with you. And I will share a board with you anytime, dear.
Yes, please.